Hi there. Thank you for visiting Training Express. Did you know that lack of developmental opportunities is one of the main reasons for high employee turnover? Essentially, training is the golden ticket for keeping employees stimulated, engaged and loyal. That's what Training Express specializes in. We help all types of companies in many different sectors perfect their learning and development initiatives. Our fully branded training solutions have helped over 50,000 individuals and businesses reach their goals since we started. Our learners community is growing fast and getting bigger day by day. Free digital accredited certifications help them to attain success in their professional life. At Training Express, we develop interactive video-based online courses to meet training needs that are crucial for business success. Our course categories range from health and safety to social care and corporate skills. We ensure that our courses are well structured and engaging, as well as being competitively priced. Each of our online courses is fully accredited and approved by awarding bodies to keep quality standards high and widen our learner spectrum. To achieve all this, we have a diverse team of industry expert instructors who offer constant support to our valued learners across the globe. We believe that our high-end corporate dashboard and study portal offers a top-notch learning management system with excellent features such as progress tracking, easy learner management and navigation. To stay ahead of the corporate competition, having a skilled workforce is essential. So we're here to help you turn your manpower into a skilled workforce with flexible and cost-effective training solutions. If you're looking to provide online training to your employees, reach out to us. We'd love to help your business.